Hi, welcome to Maths video class 6, chapter 19. We are on the exercise 19b, question number 3. Now minus 3b and minus b. So if you'll see, I have to add minus 3b plus minus b. So minus 3b, I told you before bracket plus sign is there, inside sign I have to carry as it is. So minus 3b minus b. Okay, you know minus is plus and sign comes of minus. So 3 minus 3, 1 means 3 plus 1, 4. And this b as usual. And minus is plus. So I have done 3 plus 1, 4. And sign comes of minus. So minus 4b will be your answer. Let's see the next example. So I have all our like terms. So I have arranged it according to the question that we have to add that. Add them. 5b plus minus 4b plus minus 10b. Now since plus before bracket plus is there, do not change inside sign. So 5b minus 4b minus 10b. Okay. Then this is plus 1 minus 4. So you can go with the regular rules and regulation, plus minus plus, or add all positives, or we can do directly 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. To make it for a convenience, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay. And then minus 10b. So minus 10b. So 1 minus 10 is minus 9. How? Plus minus minus. So 10 minus 1, 9. And sign comes of greater number. So which is the greater number? 10. What is its sign? Minus. So minus 9b. Okay. Please go through this video again. At least this all plus minus confusion should not be there. Okay. And then question number 4. We are on question number 4. 6a minus a. Now evaluate means to find out. Okay. So question is same. This whole exercise is same only. Means all same type of questions. Only you should be perfect in plus minus calculations. Number of minus sign, number of plus sign, all these things matters. So you should be perfect in the calculations of plus minus. Means mixing of the operation. So that's the key here. If you are perfect here also. Okay. So 6a minus 5a minus 2a. So 6. So what I have done for my convenience, 6 minus 1 minus 5 minus 2. I have written all coefficients, numerical coefficients. A means 1 here and a here. So 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Again see children, 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 minus 2, don't write 2, it is minus 2. Plus minus, minus. And sign comes plus minus, minus, sign comes of minus. Okay. Or what we can do is add all the positives, add all the negatives and subtract them. That is also one of the key. Okay. So second one we'll see. Again same thing. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 coefficients and b. So 2 minus 3, 1. No, here in this case I have used another rule. Add all the positives. Which are the positives? No sign means this is positive and plus 4 is positive. So add all the positives. So I have added 2 and 4, 6. And add all the negative. So which are the negatives? These are the negatives. So 3 plus 1, 4. Sign of course and subtract them. Add all the positive, I have added. Add all the negative, I have added. And subtract them, I have subtracted also. So 6 minus 4, 2b. Okay. So fifth one we'll see. Now this, why I have used different methods so that you have choices of method and you can just select your ones. Okay. So 8x minus 3x. So here what I have done? I have added. No. Okay. This question is different. 8x minus 5y minus 3x plus 10y. So in such type of cases, what we should do is first segregate like terms. So see here 8x minus 3x, x together I have taken along with their signs. So 8x minus 3x minus 5y plus 10y. What I have done, x one side and y one side, whatever sign they were having, you have to carry them. Don't change the sign here, otherwise your result will change. So 8x minus 3x minus 5y plus 10y. What I have done is I have written x like terms separately. So as usual, 8 minus, since these two are like terms, I can add or subtract them. So 8 minus 3, 5, and here minus 5 plus 10. So minus 5 plus 10. You know that if any sign, if in the chart I had given minus plus is minus. So 10 minus 5, 5. And sign will come of greater number. Which is greater, minus 5 or 10? 10. What is its sign? Plus. So plus will come. So here plus 5y has come. Okay. So this plus minus sign, please practice, because it's really important. This is the key. If you have understood this plus minus concept, then only you will be able to solve. Okay. So for today, this much is okay, because still and all the exercise, if you'll see here children, all like I have evaluate we have done. So all this 5th, 6th, 7th concept is same. Add all the add all the positives, add all the negatives and subtract them, or segregate like terms, then do the calculation. So this only concept is there in 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay, the concept is same in all these questions. We'll solve them, no issues, but please do practice plus minus addition subtraction. Okay, it's very important. And I have checked your papers and your answer sheets, and your mark sheet is in the school, so I can't let you know the marks because I don't remember. They were around 130, 125 papers, 120 papers. So I can't remember your answers. Okay. Your marks, sorry. So okay. So few things I had already discussed. Few things more I have to discuss. Write complete name and details in your answer sheets, children. You are in 6th standard. You should understand that you should write your complete name on the answer sheet. Your details. Details means what? Not Aadhaar card number. You should write your complete name. Roll number is not given, so this time roll number was not there. That's all right. But you can at least write your class, section also, it's okay, because section is given to you, A or B. So according to that also, if you would have written, that's all right. Otherwise that also skip, no issues, but at least name and class you should write properly. Name, class and subject. Okay. So that also many of you have not written. So that should not be there. You are in 6th standard. Then staple or thread your papers properly. Now many of you have used one sheet, second sheet, third sheet. So you have not stapled, you have not threaded it. Also you have not written your names on each paper. So it goes very difficult one, and you have just kept it in the script box. And if it get mixed with other papers, then it will be a mess. Okay. So next time, please remember, you have to just staple all your papers separately, subject wise, and or thread it. Okay. Then copy question properly. So I have to discuss this. You are not copying numbers properly, questions properly. Write question number properly, copy numbers properly. So same this, and write required steps. So if steps are there, see, if question is for 4 marks or 3 marks, obviously at least one step would be there. And that also, if you skip, you lose marks. Okay. So writing steps is very important in maths. Okay. So I hope you are taking better care of you, and we'll meet soon. Hope so. Got good news in the newspaper today that schools are trying to open on 15th October. Let's see what happens. Although they'll open step by step, but at least some ray of hope is there, so that we can meet soon. Okay. So till that time, take care and be updated. Thank you.